Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're now reviewing the most valuable Windows version of Microsoft Windows 11 build 22621.1343 to the release preview build. If you enjoy video like these, please leave a like below and also subscribe to All About Technology channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss our future videos. So let's get started with the video. Hello Windows Insiders. Today we're releasing Windows 11 build 22621.1343 KB5022913 to insiders in the release preview channel on Windows 11 version 22H2. This update includes the following features and improvements. New. This update provided access Windows Studio effects directly from quick settings on the taskbar for devices that had a supported neural processing unit, NPU. This made it quick and easy to turn on and configure camera effects. Those effects included background blur, eye contact, automatic framing, and audio effects, voice focus. You can still access these effects in the settings pages. New. This update improved the search box experience on the taskbar. As you typed in the search box, search results appeared in search flyout box. You could also change the search experience you wanted for your taskbar by going to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar. For commercial customers, this update added a new policy for IT administrators to manage how the search box on the taskbar appears in your organization. For more information, see Customizing Search on the Windows 11 taskbar. New. This update provided energy recommendations. If you use them, they could help to improve the energy efficiency of your PC and reduce your carbon footprint. Go to Settings, System, Power Battery, Energy Recommendations. New. This update enhanced the system tray, formerly called the notification area. All icons had a rounded focus and hover treatment in the lower right, including the Show Hidden Icons flyout menu. You could move icons to rearrange them in the Show Hidden Icons flyout menu or move icons to the taskbar. New. This update introduced a touch-optimized taskbar for 2-in-1 devices that you could use as a tablet. There were two states of this taskbar, collapsed and expanded. To switch between the two states, swipe up and down on the bottom of your screen. When collapsed in tablet mode, the taskbar receded to give you more screen space and kept you from accidentally opening the taskbar. When expanded in tablet mode, the taskbar was optimized to be easier to use with touch. Your taskbar automatically changed to this optimized version when you disconnected or folded back the keyboard. This feature only worked on devices that could be used as tablets and was on by default. To change that, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, Taskbar Behaviors. The setting is called Optimized Taskbar for touch interactions when this device is used as a tablet. If your company manages Windows updates for your device, this feature will be off by default. Administrators can turn it on using the new commercial control for continuous innovation. New. This update provided enhanced support for Braille devices. They continued working while you switched between Microsoft Narrator and third-party screen readers. Narrator automatically changed Braille drivers. For more information, see Chapter 8, Using Narrator with Braille. New. This update also added support for new Braille displays and new Braille input and output languages in Narrator. Some of the new Braille displays included the APH Chameleon, the APH Mantis Q40, the NLS e-reader, and many more. For more information, see Chapter 8, Using Narrator with Braille. New. This update made voice access more flexible and supported interaction with more user interface (UI) controls. For example, voice interacted with controls that contained names that had numbers, such as click 5, names without white spaces between them, such as click pivot table or click pivot chart, names that had special characters, such as Bluetooth devices, click Bluetooth and devices, or dialed up a click dial-up. New. This update added voice access support for spin controls, thumb controls, and split buttons. You interact with these controls by using the click command or number overlays. This update also fixed issues that affected snapping commands that snapped a window left or right. Commands that moved the cursor in a text box ran instantly. New. This update also provided voice scrolling enhancements. You could use voice to scroll to the extreme left and right on a page. You could also use continuous scrolling to the left or right like what is already present for vertical scrolling. For more information about the new voice access commands, see Voice Access Command List. New. For devices that were joined to Azure Active Directory, AAD, this update provided AI-powered recommended content on your Start menu. On the Start menu, you found content to help you to prepare for meetings, quickly access files you were collaborating on, and more. New. We added the new Tamil Angel keyboard for the Tamil language. To add it, make sure Tamil, Singapore, Tamil, Malaysia, Tamil, Sri Lanka, or Tamil, India, appears in Settings, Time Language, Language Region. Select the ellipses dot next to the language. Select Language Options. Add Tamil Angel QWERTY to the list of keyboards, added 220 seconds. New. This update made enhancements to Task Manager. These included filtering. You can now filter processes using the binary name, PID, or publisher name. The filter also applies when you switch between pages. The keyboard shortcut is Alt+F. More theme options. You can now choose a theme for Task Manager that is different from the Windows theme. Also, all dialogues, except for Run New Task and the Properties dialog, now support themes. The dialogues will use app-specific themes or the Windows theme. Efficiency mode. You can now opt out of confirmation dialogues when you turn on efficiency mode. We fixed an issue that affected the color filter setting. When you selected inverted, the system set it to grayscale instead. We improved the reliability of Windows after you installed an update. We supported the United Mexican States Daylight Saving Time change order for 2023. We fixed a date information issue. It affected the format of dates sent between Windows and some versions of the Heimdall-Kerberos library. We fixed an issue that affected IE mode. The text on the status bar was not always visible. We fixed an issue that affected Xbox subscribers. If you purchased an Xbox subscription using the redeem code option, the Xbox subscription card did not appear on the Settings Accounts page. This occurred when recurring billing was off. We fixed an issue that might have affected isas.exe. It might have stopped responding. This occurred when it sent a lightweight directory access protocol, LDAP, query to a domain controller that had a very large LDAP filter. We fixed an issue that affected the Local Security Authority Subsystem Service, ISAS. ISAS might have stopped responding. This occurred after you ran sysprep on a domain-joined machine. We fixed an issue that affected copying from a network to a local drive. Copying was slower than expected for some users. We fixed an issue that affected parity virtual disks. Using Server Manager to create them failed. We fixed compatibility issues that affected some Hello.